Why'd it go silent? Bring the rain back. Sometimes my girlfriend and her daughter stay the night at my house. The other day, they stayed the night. I woke up before both of them, okay? So I'm just laying in bed. It's raining. The rain is hitting the window, making like these little rain hitting the window noises. I don't know. So my girlfriend's 5-year-old sits up, her eyes are still closed, and says, "Beebs, stop that. Stop that. Stop what? The rain? You want me to stop the what now? You think I control the rain?" I do, now. I love rainy days. I love them. Can't get enough of the rain. Is that all you got? I hope not. I'm sorry the rain's waking you up. My bad. I was just practicing, okay? Plus, I kind of don't want her not to believe that I can control the rain. But I also don't control the rain, so I know I can't stop it, and now she's going to think I'm a jerk for not stopping. I don't know which route I want to take, but I'm leaning heavily towards the I control the rain thing. Man can't never get over all this rain. Y'all enjoying the rain? I would love to just throw a rain party, but it's already happening. Just step outside. If I knew how to rain dance, I'd do it. I don't. That's unfortunate for me. Why y'all driving with your windows up? Enjoy the rain! Rainy days! I can't imagine any other day better than a rainy day. 2 rainy days! A rainy day stacked on top of another rainy day inside of a rainy day inception rain. I could care less if it rained or not. I'd love it, but I could care less. Rain, rain, don't go nowhere. Okay? I don't want to be cooped up here parked in the rain. No, I want to drive. I love the smell of rain, even though it's physically just water. I'm making a left turn in the rain. It's just rain! How dare you bring an umbrella outside in this beautiful rainy weather? Rain Wilson, Rain Reynolds. You're gonna wipe away my rain. I don't need muscles. I control the rain. Wherefore art thou rain? Enjoy the rain, peasant! You need to calm down, okay? My Beebs controls the rain, so... Love y'all. I do. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Yeah, okay. Not okay. It's okay. Stop. This isn't funny anymore. It's pretty funny. I'm not laughing, but I am though. Okay.